Hey there, Tesla fans. Aaron Rath here from Rat's Tesla. Today we have a few items from our friends at Jowua that we're going to talk about. Take off the reading glasses because I don't need those, but we have a few items from Jowua that we're going to talk about. So stick around, and thanks for watching Rat's Tesla. Today's video, not really an unboxing because there's not a whole lot to unbox. We have 3 items from our friends over at Jowua. 2 of them go together and one kind of separate from each other. These 2 really do the same thing. They're used as dashcam readers, dashcam hubs, but they're just kind of a little bit different. So we're going to talk about each of them in a separate piece, and then we'll kind of show you how I'm going to use them and which one I'm going to use for my Tesla. So the first one we'll talk about is this USB 3.0 Dashcam Reader. Now this one is a little different. This is for Sentry Mode and dashcam footage. It fits any Tesla, S, a 3, and X, or a Y. It delivers 10 watts of power output for mobile device charging. So you can charge your mobile devices on here. It's going to be really slow. It is compatible with the Jowua SD card, which I have right here. And I have a 256 megabyte Jowua SD card that'll go here. This you can put in the center console, or you can put it in your glove compartment. But this one will go in the center console better. But we're not going to really use this one. It can be used in the glove box. Like I said, you can also use this as to plug in. We'll take it out real quick and look at it as we talk about it. The box is really glued shut. Again, this is from our friends over at Jowua. I'll have links below for these products. I also have a discount code below, so check out that discount code. So this is nice and small. This has 2 slots on it. Don't know if you can see those. I'll do my best. It has 2 slots on it. It has a micro SD card reader, which I have the micro SD card, and then it has a USB-A port. That USB-A port can be used. You can stick a flash drive in there for music. You can charge your mobile device on it. You can plug in a mobile controller. So if you have one of the Jowua wireless controllers that are, by the way, really awesome. I'll put a link up above for some of the other Jowua products. But the Jowua controllers are really good. But you can plug that in here. Like I said, it's a powered 10-watt USB port. It has Gen 1 speeds. It'll store your dashcam and Sentry Mode videos. And this does have a 4-year warranty that goes with it. From the website, it says if you have the 256 gigabyte card, it stores 145 times the amount of dashcam videos, 1,450 times of Sentry Mode, and then it has 4.5 weeks of recording on there for those. So that's that one. We're going to set that aside. We may try that a little bit later, but for right now, the one that we're going to use is this 3-port USB dashcam hub. As I rip this box open and we pull it out, this one is really cool. So this one has 2 ports on the front. Those 2 ports are designed for USB-A ports. You can do a lot of things on those. You can, again, plug in your wireless controller. You can put your music plug-in in there. You can do a lot of things. But the cool thing about this one is this one has a slot on the top. So it has 3 USB-A ports. This one is specifically for collecting videos from your Sentry Mode and from your dash cam. So this is compatible if you have a new Y that came with the stick, the memory stick. This is compatible with it, the way it's built, and we'll go check it out in the Tesla here in just a little bit. That memory stick will stick right in the top here, and then this will plug in the port in the glove box to protect it. This is really cool. It's nice and compact, built really well, very, very sturdy. So I can't wait to see this inside of the Tesla. So let's do it. Let's go put this in the glove box in Slowpoke and check it out. So we have our glove box lit up, and this is the memory stick for Sentry Mode, and it also has, you know, it's plugged in right there. Oop, my light fell over. See if we can get that to stay up. So we're going to unplug that memory stick, and then we take the new item here, and we're going to take that memory stick and just kind of slide it in to that top spot where the reader's at, and then it just kind of plugs in. So you can see the way it's built. It's built so that the memory stick sticks out this way, and it's very sturdy in there. I just hit the record button on my dash cam, and it did a record, so everything functions. And here's the best part. So on my center console, I added this USB hub, also from Jowua, but I have my wireless controller plugged in there. I'm now going to take my wireless controller and plug it in the end here, and it'll be out of the way, and I don't have to worry about it getting hit and getting broken. And it's plugged in right there. And now we will have we have an empty spot. So I do only have one controller. I need to get another one from Jowua. So if I get another controller, I can plug it in there. I have my Jowua controller, and I have my video stick for Sentry Mode and Dashcam right there. And that is a great little product. I really do like that one. And as I think about it, the other one that I got, I could easily plug in here and create extra space on this little bar inside of my car. That'll do it for today's video. As I said, a very short video, just a few products from Jowua. I do have some really cool stuff coming up this week. I have another set of floor mats coming up that we're going to review. So if you're in the market for floor mats, make sure you hit the subscribe button, because we're going to go over those here later this week in a couple videos. I also have some cool stuff coming from Hansshow. So make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Hit that bell button. That way you get notified of any new videos that pop up. We have a lot of cool stuff coming up, so you're going to want to watch it. Drop a comment, like down below. If you like this video, that only helps me out. It doesn't cost you anything, but it helps these videos appear in people's searches when they're searching for stuff. And this is a great product for people to search for. So please make sure you like this video. Drop a comment if you use this product. Let me know how it is. This is a review, and like I said, I haven't used it. I put it in the car. I did an install. I'm going to put in air quotes because there's not really a whole lot to install, but it is a good little product. I like the fact that I can put the memory stick in there for the videos. I can also get my controller plug out of the way, out of the center console here, so it's up and out of the way, and that'll allow me to continue to play games on road trips and whatever. But yeah, that'll do it for today's video. Lots of fun stuff. I will have a link to these products down below, and like I said, I always have my discount codes down below. We've got one for Hansshow, we've got them for Jowua, we have some for a few other places, so check out those discount codes down below. As always, get out, go drive, be safe, have fun, and don't be a jerk. In this day and age and what's going on and everything that's happening and getting life back to normal, there's no reason to be a jerk. Only good things need to be happening right now. Thanks for watching today's video, and we will catch you in the next one.